This video suggests diet, exercise and herbal treatments that enhance stamina in the body. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily healthcare tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. In this trend of being fit and strong, increased stamina is a sign of good physical as well as mental health. It is not only important to exercise regularly, but also one should be cautious about the food he eats. Thus, the importance of both diet and exercise to enhance stamina in the body cannot be overlooked. Natural ways to increase stamina. Excess working out and not eating enough can lead to a decrease in stamina, which makes people unable to carry daily routine with ease. It is important to even consider what one eats, and not just blindly exercise. Diet and exercise to enhance stamina in the body is a perfect combination for better results. Energy-rich foods are a good source of depleted energy that goes away while exercising. One should eat food rich in healthy fats, iron, and calcium along with protein for enhancing stamina. Carbohydrates are not your enemies, rather they are a good source of energy. Include sources of good carbohydrates in your diet for increased stamina. Plan your exercise schedule in such a way that you give enough time to recover from the strength and cardio days. Recovery is important and has its own role to play to increase stamina in the body. Once the diet and exercise pattern is on the check, one can invest in energy booster pills for stamina enhancement. Opt for herbal energy booster pills as they have no side effects. Bonus tip: diet and exercise to enhance stamina in the body is the primary and fundamental way for a healthy and sporty life. However, sometimes a person may feel fatigued, low muscular endurance and have less metabolic process no matter how much he eats right and exercises. Nature has gifted us with numerous herbs, and such issues can be addressed naturally without much hassle. Herbal treatment to enhance stamina in the body is proved to be helpful to almost all. These remedies include the use of herbal energy booster pills like Sfoorti capsules. Intake of these capsules is the most widely used herbal treatment that enhances stamina in the body. Sfoorti capsules help increase metabolism, remove the toxins from the body and help with proper blood circulation, thereby making the body full of energy and ability to deal with stress. These capsules are known to build immunity and are a major source of antioxidants which slows the process of aging. Therefore, in short, Sfoorti capsules are the best form of stamina boosters for people. It can be taken by both men and women and have no side effects at all. Sfoorti capsules along with proper diet and exercise enhance stamina in the body, are beneficial and have long-term effects. World's finest energy booster supplements. "100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence. Buy Sfoorti capsules at naturogain.com. If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remediesofyoush@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.